Imagine walking into a room, and within minutes, people start gravitating towards you. Not because you're talking the loudest or showing off, not because of your cool car or fancy clothes, but because you've got this quiet, real social power that pulls them in. Doesn't that sound amazing? That kind of influence isn't magic. It's psychology. There's one book that has quietly shaped presidents, CEOs, and everyday leaders for decades. It is called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The book contains around 30 principles. Today, I'll share the 6 that changed how I interact with people, whether it's a friend, your partner, a colleague, or even someone very high profile. These principles can help you leave a real mark on people. So take a pen and paper and note them down. Principle number 1, give honest and sincere appreciation. I know, it sounds simple. When I first read it, I thought, that's obvious. And maybe you're thinking, won't that just sound like flattery? That's the key difference. Flattery is fake, but appreciation is specific and genuine. Carnegie says, the deepest need of human nature is the craving to be appreciated. And when you think about it, it's true. Everyone wants to feel seen. Here's what changed it for me. Instead of randomly complimenting people, I started observing them. Like, what are they actually good at? What effort are they putting in that no one notices? When you appreciate something real, calmly and sincerely, people feel it. And that's when the connection becomes strong. Principle number 2, become genuinely interested in other people. Let me ask you something. When someone is talking, are you really listening or just waiting for your turn? Most of us are busy preparing our next sentence. So next time, take a pause. Stop thinking about how you sound and just get curious. Ask about their work, their hobbies. What's been going on in their life lately? Do it not to impress them, but to understand them. And you'll notice that they will feel relaxed. They will open up more because most people don't feel truly heard anymore. Principle number 3, smile. Yes, just smile. I used to think keeping a serious face made me look confident, but in reality, it made me look unapproachable, like a closed door. When I started smiling more, even slightly, I noticed something small but powerful. People relaxed around me, and conversations became easier. A smile signals safety. It tells the other person, I'm not a threat. And if you're thinking, what if I'm not even happy? Well, here's the truth. You don't wait for happiness to smile. Sometimes you smile first, and your mood follows. It's simple, but simple doesn't mean weak. Before we move to principle number 4, let me ask you something. What do you think is the sweetest sound in the world to any person? Maybe you're thinking it is their favorite song or some kind of soft music. But here's the interesting part. It's the same for everyone. The answer is, it's their own name. So here comes the principle number 4. A person's name is to them the sweetest sound. Think about it. We hear thousands of words every day. But when someone says our name, especially in a sincere way, our attention shifts immediately. So instead of saying, hey, tell me about your bike ride, say, hey, John, how was that bike ride? Small change, but stronger connection. But be careful. Forgetting someone's name or saying it wrong can damage the connection. Principle number 5, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. People don't want a lecture or advice. They want to feel heard. The book nails it. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So ask open questions. Nod to show you're with them. Follow up. If they say, work was tough, don't jump in with your story. Say, that sounds really hard. What happened next? How did it make you feel? Let them talk and then actually listen. When someone feels truly heard, they don't forget it. And very few people make others feel that way. And finally, principle number 6, show respect for other people's opinions. Never say, you're wrong. We've all done it. Someone disagrees with us, and we immediately switch into debate mode. We argue, we defend, we try to win. But even if you win the argument, what do you actually win? Carnegie said it clearly. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Instead of saying, "You're wrong, try this." That's interesting. Can you explain why you think that? The moment you stop attacking their idea, their guard drops. And when people feel respected, they naturally return that respect. You don't gain influence by overpowering someone. You gain it by giving them dignity. Before you go, let's quickly recap. Principle 1, give honest and sincere appreciation. Principle 2, become genuinely interested in other people. Principle 3, smile. Principle 4, a person's name is to them the sweetest sound. Principle 5, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Principle 6, show respect for other people's opinions. Never say, "You're wrong." These principles changed how people respond to me. Conversations became easier. People opened up more. But don't just listen to this video and move on. Test it. Try it in real conversations this week, but there's only one condition. It has to be genuine. If you fake it, people will feel it. The real secret is simple. Make others feel important and do it with complete honesty. If you learned even one useful idea today, leave a like. It tells me this kind of content matters. And I'm curious, which of these 6 principles do you think is the most powerful? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about mastering psychology in your daily life, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.